the 17th of September 2023. I had a more than wonderful morning, drinking coffee, listening to music, reading books, and being impressed by an unforgettable quote from Dr. Joe Dispenza. Nothing changes in our life until we change. The only way that we're going to change this world is we've got to change us. Until I rode my daughter home from her dance class. 10:30 a.m. in the morning. I parked my motorbike in front of the house, put my hand in the pocket, took out the key, and pressed to open the door. Click, click, and click. The door didn't budge. My daughter said, "Mom, the battery is dead. The light on the remote no longer lights up when pressed." Oh, so I need a locksmith. My daughter decided to wait in the yard. I ran to find a place to replace the battery in the door lock. Rode 10 minutes to one place. The locksmith was not there, even though his tool cart was there. When I called, he said, "Wait for me for 10 minutes. I'm stuck at a guest house." Okay. I waited exactly 10 minutes. 10 minutes passed. No sign of the man appeared. So I called back. He hummed. Not done yet. Please wait for me a little longer or come back later." Okay. I ran to another place. More than 5 minutes later, I found another one. This locksmith looked quite uncomfortable. I asked, "Hi, how much does this cost to replace the battery for this lock?" "A regular battery is 85K. A good battery is 120K, the man answered. Thinking for 3 seconds, I chose to replace with the regular battery. I also didn't pay attention to what type of battery to replace this lock until the man opened the screws. He also thought he would use a thin round battery, not this small cylindrical battery. Discovering that this type of battery was not available, he told me to wait a few minutes and got on his motorbike to get the battery. At the same time, I went online to search and discovered this battery was being sold at Shopee for 43K for a pack of 5. I calculated. So one piece is about 8K. The man went to get the battery and replaced the battery in the lock for a total of less than 5 minutes. With 85K, he got a profit of 9 times. He did quite a job. But before paying, I told him, "Brother, I know this battery is sold for about 8K each. So if you give me a discount at the price of 50K, would be great." He said, "No, I said 85K is 85K. If you don't do it, you said it at the first time. But now I have changed the lock." I said, "It's okay. I just want you to give customer a little discount for fun. It's okay if you don't reduce the price. I pat him and took the key home to open the door. Hurried home, more than 11 o'clock. Turning off the bike engine, I immediately sat with my daughter. Mommy is home. Ha, now I can open the door. Are you tired of waiting? I had to hurry because 1. My daughter was waiting. 2. She had to go to school in the afternoon at 12 o'clock, so I was afraid we would be late. But luckily, there's still plenty of time. Now I'm relieved. As for the locksmith, I said that because I wanted to give him the opportunity to please his customers and provide a better service. Because if the price had been reduced, customer like me would have felt happy, even he would also have made not bad profit. But unfortunately, he refused. He gained 9 times his money, but he lost 2 things. 1. Pleasing his customers. This is important as I learned when I was working in customer service. Number 2, some customers come back later. He was lucky to have me stop by this morning, but doing business requires more effort than luck. He hasn't tried his best yet. I hope he may think twice if there are other customers bargaining like me next time.